What online success free training will do for you in 2021.
Online success, an online business building system.
How to start and run any type of online business, specialist free training, go from a beginner to expert, now. Ideal for beginners and those with intermediate knowledge.
In this presentation we will quickly cover the online success training we offer you, under the following headings. The training we offer you, personalized advice, positivity and motivation. Our focus on your needs. Packed with facts. Always up to date. Multimedia training. And, recommended resources. The training we offer you.
We offer you a wide range of training and presentations about starting and running an online business. Much of what we offer you is free.
Personalized advice.
We also advise you on choosing the correct business for your character, personality, circumstances, and your financial budget.
Positivity and motivation.
Another important range of subjects is maintaining a positive attitude and staying motivated, so we give you our ideas on this too.
Our focus on your needs.
It is about you, not us. You will notice our presentations are different to the usual talking heads type videos. There is nothing wrong with those videos, but we prefer to give you the necessary information without distraction.
Packed with facts.
Our information is produced in a way to avoid padding and unnecessary content. We focus on giving you guidance to act on. Action is the key.
Always up to date.
We are always adding new information and updating things when they change online. The internet is a dynamic changing environment and there is a lot to stay on top of.
Multimedia training.
You can access our training and guidance in various ways, including video, audio podcasts, downloadable ebooks, reports and transcripts.
Recommended resources.
We give you links to all the software and tools we use on a daily basis to run our own online businesses. They all come highly recommended based on our own experience of using them.
Learn more by visiting onlinesuccess.app/free.